Since 1911, Fulton has been the market leader in new and innovative products for the marine industry. Today, we're going to show you the installation of our popular Fulton fold-away hinge kit. Available throughout North America, Fulton is your best choice for worry-free towing and trailering performance. Enthusiasts everywhere depend on Fulton to get both their toys and families to their favorite places safely.
Fulton fold-away hinge kit is designed for longer boat trailers and limited garage space. Once we've completed this installation, you'll be able to fold the trailer tongue away, which will give you the option to store your boat and trailer in tight and protected spaces. The Fulton pivot system is patented, carries a 5-year limited warranty, and has been a proven performer for more than 7 years. Let's get started. The first step in installing your Fulton fold-away hinge kit is to make a plan. Identify the length of the swing tongue using the pivot rating chart located in the instructions. Measure the tongue load of a fully loaded boat and trailer. Check the trailer capacity. Park on a level surface. Chock the wheels of your trailer. Now that you have identified the length of the pivot section, measure and be sure that the pivot hinge will be located at least 5 inches from any obstructions. Be sure that the jack is positioned behind the pivot hinge. This product is not designed for use with a jack forward of the pivot hinge. Be sure all the brake lines and wires are out of the tongue. Using a square, scribe a line around the tongue to indicate the cut location. Cut the tongue off at the scribed line. Remove all burrs. Place the male pivot casting over the end of the trailer tongue section. Use a center punch to mark the drill locations. Mark both sides 4 inches back and 1 inch up. Use a center punch to mark and drill the locations. Drill to 1/2 inch and secure your safety chains with 2 separate 1/2 inch grade 5 bolts and lock nuts. Secure to 45 foot-pounds. Slide the pivot casting onto the trailer tongue until it hits the stops. Make sure it is straight and temporarily secure with a clamp. Using the included transfer punch, mark the location of the bolt holes, top and bottom. Remove the casting. Drill all 8 center marks to 1/8 inch diameter holes. Increase your drill size by 1/8 inch increments until holes are 1/2 inch diameter. Remove the chips and burrs. Touch up any raw cut edges with paint. Put the castings back onto the tongue and loosely attach the special bolts and nuts. Using the included T55 Torx bit and a 3/4 inch box and wrench, torque each bolt to 75 foot-pounds. Place the remaining casting over a swing tongue and attach in the same manner as previously described. Be sure the castings are orientated correctly. Attach the swing tongue to the trailer tongue by mating the castings together. Apply light grease to the 5/8 inch pivot bolt and secure through the castings with a 5/8 lock nut. Torque to 50 foot-pounds. Insert lightly greased hinge pin and secure through the top of the castings. Secure hinge pin with hairpin cotter. Remove the hinge pin and make sure that your swing tongue pivots correctly. Reroute the wires and brake lines through the swing tongue. Close the swing tongue, being certain not to pinch the wires, and lock into place with the hinge pin. You are now ready to tow.
As you have just seen, the Fulton fold-away hinge kit is a great solution for adding a folding tongue to your trailer, reducing its overall required storage space. The Fulton fold-away hinge kits continue Fulton's 100-year tradition of bringing innovative products to boating enthusiasts.